Over my years working in the corporate world, I've noticed a very specific pattern of human behavior that keeps on repeating itself over and over again. Every year, every month, it comes up. That moment the pressure gets turned up or the business plan falls behind schedule, the human brain looks for an escape hatch. The easiest escape hatch is to start using the blame game. You see all the time, you see it all the time in the professional environments. People pointing fingers outwards. They always blame the system. They always blame the market. They blame the communication, the head office, the products, whatever the case may be. They spend so much time every day building a case why failure isn't their fault. Now, I need you to understand this part. Don't get me wrong. The systems we work with today are rarely perfect. I mean, we see it every day where stuff goes offline. Hurdles are real. Delays are real. Operational gaps are real. Those are the facts of life. It's facts. It's a fact in any career, wherever you are. And it's genuinely frustrating to deal with. But there's a massive difference between identifying a hurdle and using that hurdle as a shield to hide behind the actual problem. Complaining has become a trap because it's comfortable. It's a temporary relief in pressure. It allows a person to sit back, cross their arms, and just wait till things get done. Well, I can't hit my goals this month, or I can't hit my sales plan, or I can't build this product because they are not doing their part. But while everybody is busy protecting their ego and proving they aren't to blame, the underlying problem is still there. The target is still being missed. That product is still not being built. The ship is taking on water. I think in general we have completely lost the art of radical ownership, taking that real ownership. But when we choose to take ownership and stop waiting for that perfect conditions, you look at the broken system, you look at the challenges, and you ask yourself one brutal, unfiltered, real question. Given the mess I'm dealing with today, what am I personally doing right now to move that dial? Say hello, Cian.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Because at the end of the day, external factors aren't going to bail you out. That's not going to build the product. Complaining has 0% of success rate, or it rarely affects the outcome. The only thing that changes the score is actually executing on that plan, executing on the goal, and trying to achieve it. I mean, let's look at this, guys. If you drive on the road and there's a pothole, we don't sit in our car waiting for somebody to come and fix it. No, we drive around it because we have to figure it out. We need to get somewhere. Um, so if you're sitting in your workspace or in your manufacturing plant and you're busy navigating a project where the culture has turned into a giant circle of finger pointing, I need you to break that chain. Put the energy you're spending on frustrations back into actually achieving that goal and take control of it. Take the wheel. Stop making excuses for why the environment is holding you back. And I need you to find a way to actually execute on that plan. I wanted to say thanks for this video, and I think it's important for me to make this video because it's my way of getting it out of my system, and perhaps there's somebody that needs to hear this message. So thanks for the chat today, guys. Have a great one. Stay positive, and let's use our energy to find a way around whatever is holding you back. And I will see you in the next one. In the next log, lekker bly, guys.